I'm just mixing a little bit of the foundation powder with the revitalizing cream to create a base for my eyeshadow. Just brighten up under the eye as well. I'm going to start off with this new brush with the color Nude E10. I'm just going to focus it here on the inner eye to brighten up a bit, and then just take it up to the brow bone. It's got a slight bit of a sheen to it, not a glittery, glimmery shade, just a nice silky shade. I like this color for brow bone highlight. I'm going to use a bit more of a fluffy brush on this Peach E10. I just want to use it as a transition shade, and I want to really blend it out. So I feel like the flat brush might not be ideal for blending it out like this, but I prefer a fluffy brush to blend out shadows like these. I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush and just adding a bit under the eye. I'm taking some of this brown E30 color and I'm stamping it here on the outer lash line. And then I just want to deepen up this outer corner. This is such a nice chocolate brown color. I'm just taking a clean blending brush just to blend those edges a bit. Doesn't need a lot of blending. I'm taking just a little bit on the lower lash line, just below the lash line. I'm just cleaning off the brush with my Sigma switch between applications so I don't mix the colors. I'm going to take this brown E20 color and just place it on the outer half of the lid. Not quite to the end because I still want that dark brown color to show. More like the outer half of what's left of the lid, like not quite the center, a bit more to the outside. And I'm taking the champagne color, it's ESG08, and I'm just placing that on the inner half of the lid just to brighten up a bit. I like these two colors together, I think it looks pretty.